So, hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how I can solve or how you can solve LeetCode problem number 23, Merge sorted as listed. It is a tell as hard problem, but I think it is maybe a medium level or easy level problem. If you have knowledge about hashing and list node, you can easily do this question. In, in this, we have to do just we have given array array of list array of list, which means in array, on every element there is a list. And what we have to do? We have to do just sim we have to all element of above array are in a sorted manner, which means as in example one there is array which has three list. In first list there is element 1, 4, 5. In next list there is element 1, 1, 3, 4, and in next there is element 2 and 6. So what we have to do, we just have to make a new list in a make a list in which we store the data, the element in sorted method, just like 1 1, then 2 will come, then 3 will come, then 4 4, and then 5 and 6. So the question is that how we can do. Just suppose if first I will rub this, I will change this whiteboard to visible to you. So suppose we know the number of list, how we know the number of list by the size of list, and just we have to create a array list, or you can create hash map or a hash set. But I will suggest you to create hash set or hash map for because the time complexity of hash set and hash map is O1. But you can do with it with array list also. We create array list and we iterate one by one in every list. Suppose first of all we have to iterate in loop in one by one in every list, and in list we have also we have to use one loop to iterate in list. Yes. So our I iterator iterate the list in list in array where our inner loop will iterate in the list element. We have to we have just to iterate one by one and store the value in our array, maybe in a set, and just hash map or array list, and then we have to sort the array list or hash map by the method the lesson dot sort, and then we have to create new list. We have to create new list. We have to create new list, and then we iterate in array. We iterate in array or maybe list hash set hash map array list and hash map, and one by one hash hash map, and one by one we have to put this element in list, and just we have to return. It's just simple like that, and the term complexity of this will be maybe O n square is our time complexity for loop, and where we have using sorted for sort function, so will load O low than O low than. You can say we our time complexity will be O n square plus low than, but so it is our time complexity. Let's jump to our solution, See, this is our solution. In this, we simply, in this solution, we just simply create a hash map first and iterate in list, iterate in array using list, iterate in array and iterate in array and put in the value of the element of array list in hash set, and then we just convert the key, and then we can just convert our hash map key into array to sort, and we just here sort and we create a dummy list node dummy to iterate in list, and we create a current equal to dummy to to enter the value, and here we use a loop for loop integer key where we declare an integer and iterate in keys. Key is our array as shown here, and one by one we are getting keys. One by one we are getting key from the our array of key, and then we are getting the value of this key from the hash map and then putting that into list, and simply we return dummy.nest. Actually nothing, dummy.nest is our head, and that's simple, bro. It is just all it finished. And we can also do that with priority queue, but I will suggest this wasn't for beginners. This